Have you ever wondered whether your weight is considered healthy? You've probably heard the term BMI, body mass index, hundreds of times. But what does it really mean? And should you rely on it? Today, we're breaking down BMI in a simple, accurate, and science-based way so you can make smarter decisions about your health. Make sure to watch until the end. We're also talking about when BMI is wrong and what to use instead. BMI stands for Body Mass Index. It's a numerical score that compares your weight and height to estimate whether you're underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. It's calculated using a simple formula: BMI, SAO weight, kg, height 2 meters. Example, if you weigh 70 kilos and you're 1.7 meters tall, BMI, 70, 1.7 x 1.7, SAO 24.2. That number then falls into a category. BMI is popular because it's fast, cheap, and easy. No gym, no special equipment, just math. But don't click away yet. We'll explain why BMI isn't always accurate later. According to global health guidelines, here are the BMI ranges. BMI range category: below 18.5, underweight 18.5, 24.9, normal, healthy weight 25.0, 29.9, overweight 30 and above, obesity. So if your BMI is 18.5 to 24.9, you're in the healthy range. But remember, BMI isn't the whole story. BMI became widely used because it helps doctors screen for potential health risks. Research shows that very low or very high BMI levels can be associated with heart disease, diabetes, stroke, high blood pressure, nutritional deficiencies, respiratory problems. So in a big population, BMI is helpful for identifying trends and potential risks. It's a starting point, not an ending point. Here's the truth many people don't hear. BMI does not measure body fat. It doesn't consider muscle mass. It ignores bone density. It doesn't consider body shape or genetics. It doesn't factor age or gender differences. So someone who is very muscular, like athletes, bodybuilders, military personnel, may show a high BMI but have very low body fat. On the other hand, someone can have a normal BMI but still have unhealthy fat levels, especially around the abdomen. This is called TOFI. Thin outside, fat inside. BMI works best for general populations, but it's not a perfect indicator for individual health. BMI might not be accurate for athletes and bodybuilders, very short people or very tall people, older adults who lose muscle naturally, children and teenagers, pregnant women, people with certain medical conditions. So if you fall into these groups, don't panic about your BMI. Instead, use additional measurements because your health is more than a number. Want a more complete picture? Combine BMI with other metrics. Waist circumference. Men should be below 40 inches, 102 centimeters. Women, below 35 inches, 88 centimeters. This helps measure visceral fat, the dangerous fat around organs. Body fat percentage, measured by a smart scale, gym machine, or caliper. Muscle mass analysis, fitness trackers or body composition tools. Blood tests, cholesterol, blood sugar, triglycerides, these matter more than weight alone. By combining tools, you get a true picture of health, not just a math score. Here's the takeaway. Use BMI as a health indicator, not a judgment of your body. If your BMI is high, don't panic. Look deeper. If your BMI is normal, don't assume you're perfectly healthy. Check lifestyle habits. The goal isn't to chase a number. The goal is to build a strong, healthy, energetic body. Healthy habits matter much more than BMI. Eat balanced meals, stay active every day, sleep well, hydrate, manage stress. BMI is just one piece of the health puzzle. So now you understand BMI, what it means, when it matters, and when it doesn't. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Do you think BMI is reliable or outdated? And remember, your body is not just a number. True health comes from how you live every day. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next video.